All management begins and ends with self-management. As I've said, everybody is just struggling, everybody is running, everybody is hurrying. In all the process of what life consumes them, the most difficult part of life everyone faces is to handle their own emotions, handle their own thoughts. That is the biggest struggle of life every human faces. Every individual is going through a struggle. And if you are struggling, you can't get along with the game of life, can you? So if you want to bring out the best in you, what is needed? So you need to go about aligning your inner personality. So when the emotions overrule you, when they overwhelm your personality, they become a trouble. Now, how many of you can throw up arms and say, "Sir, yes, I know and I have managed, I have controlled, I have commanded that aspect of life where I have a perfect control over myself"? Do I have control over your actions? Do I have a control over how you feel, how you think? I have no control over anything external. Isn't it necessary that at least I should command a certain amount of control and respect over something which is within me? Isn't it necessary? You may not control anything external, but at least I should be able to command myself. That is the need of the hour. All management begins and ends with self-management. If you learn to manage yourself, believe me, you can manage anything in life. You can manage your relationships, you can manage your resources, you can manage your health, you can manage your wealth. You can go to the most developed society today, you will find glaring imperfections. You can remember, you can have all what you can afford in life, far more than what you can afford, but I guarantee you, you will not be contented, you will not be satisfied in life. What is that guarantee you give me that your mind will not ask for something more? There is no management institution that will teach you to handle what your mind is going to throw at you. So what you gather is something is amiss. With all that success, with all that achievement in the world out there, there is a certain imbalance. As we said, there is wealth, but there is no contentment. That makes all the difference. A Rajasic person finds himself successful, but he is not necessarily easy. So Sattva is an action which is a combination of an action and a peace. All I request you all is create this possibility of Sattva in your lives. Understand there is a possibility. Where there is dynamic action plus everlasting peace. You will be able to keep that peace in that dynamic of action. In fact, the law of life, remember this, the law of life is as your body is in the law of dynamics, your mind must be in the law of statics. This is physics, isn't it? What is law of dynamics? While you are engaged in dynamic action, your mind should be in the peace, bliss, happiness. There is this possibility of life. You all have an opportunity to explore, tap, and leave a mark so that you become a role model for others to follow. But You will have to live that life yourself first to be able to set the standards for others to follow. Don't just get into rajas and then slip into tamas and then come back into rajas and slip into tamas. No. Create that possibility of leading a life of sattva. Where you can have both, two peace, which is you can have all the prosperity and you can also have all the peace and contentment within in one hand. It's certainly a possibility.